What's going on, everybody? I'm over here at the East Pinnacle today. Figured I'd get a good little hike in. Wanted to show you guys about my lunch setup. Yeah, so my stove and my fuel and what I got cooking today. So this is my cook system. I got the Stanley pot. These are great little pots for about $18 or something like that. Not bad. Jet boil, jet power fuel. I think these are 100 grams. Yeah, 100 gram fuel tank. This thing will last a pretty good while. This is my, I don't know, 4th or 5th meal that I have made on this particular fuel can right here. So they last a little while, longer than you think. On top of my jet boil fuel, I've got the, hey, how's it going? The BRS 3000T stove. Super lightweight, really cheap. I think they're like $16 maybe on Amazon. But yeah, so today for lunch we're cooking up the Packet Gourmet All American Works burger. So I've already boiled the 2 ounces of water and pressed the air out, sealed the pouch, and now we're waiting. Can't wait for this. This is awesome. For the meal, I brought the tortillas. I think it's funny they say BYO tortillas, bring your own tortillas. Oh man. Anyway, so here is the other packet that'll go in. Yeah, so here's the other packet that'll go in. Looks like some cheese, maybe some more seasoning. Pretty cool. This is gonna be really good. They also give you the mustard, ketchup, looks like sweet relish, and mayo. So everything you want for a good American burger. Yeah. So continuing along, here's my little kind of a ditty bag. It's overpacked, but toilet paper, strike anywhere matches, wipes, band-aids, triple antibiotic ointment, some Tylenol and leaf, stuff like that. Food bag, trash bag. Always, you pack it in, you pack it out. Always take care of the place you're in. Of course, a towel. This thing is super handy. I actually just spilled a little bit of my packed meal, and that came in super handy. So yeah, pretty excited. Oh, forgot to mention, I forgot my spoon. So luckily I did bring my Leatherman and was able to whittle down a stir stick. Little ingenuity. So we'll see how that goes. Luckily it's not a spoon needing meal. I'll be able to put it all on the tortillas, so that's good. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on and give you guys a little glimpse into my lunch setup. So hope everybody's doing well. Get outside. Also wanted to show you guys something that just came in today, and I'm super pumped about it. I didn't know how handy it would be, but I heard that it would be one of the handiest things that you would bring with you is the sit pad. Yes, this one came from Amazon. I almost bought the Thermarest Z seat, but just couldn't bring myself to spend the money. Oh, so I bought the one on Amazon for like $10. God, well worth it. Mm. This is pretty cool. So I'm coming back down from the East Pinnacle, and I saw this earlier walking up, but I believe this is the Eagle's Nest, which is a super cool spot here. So I think looking out, see if I can zoom in here. I believe that is Eagle's Nest. And I think on around, see if you can see, that point is Buzzard's Roost. Two roosts. Man, it's just so beautiful out. I don't know, you can't see it, but over here through the trees, you just keep getting glimpses of this awesome view just peeking through. So from the East Pinnacles, I walked down a bit and then took a right up the hill to go check out Indian Fort Theater, look out today. Get that in real quick before I head home. So it's been a great trip. Those All American Works burgers from Packet Gourmet were just awesome. Recommend anything those guys have. Looks like we're to a split. So here's our options. Let's see. I don't really have time to do Eagle's Nest or Buzzard's Roost. Eagle's Nest is probably my favorite, right ahead of Indian Fort Lookout, which is 0.2 miles. So I'm probably going to do that, and then head home and get back with the family. Made a little detour. Looks like we're gonna head down and check out Devil's Kitchen. Never been down here. Let's go check it out. Oh, it looks like it's just right down here anyway. My wife has actually told me about this place. My wife is from Berea and grew up coming here, so she knows all about it. She's definitely spent some time here too. So this looks pretty sketchy. Oh, pretty sketchy. It's really muddy. Oh. Just slop. Oh. If I can get out of here without getting my feet wet, I'll be amazed. Ooh, look at this. Super cool. Wow. I mean, this is just super cool. Look at this. Just kind of walking down under everything. This is awesome. Very, very cool. Never been down here before. Looks like maybe just walks back up to the trail. Super cool. Glad I came down this way. Hopefully I don't have to turn around and go back. A lot of elevation. So here is where we are now. Look at this place. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. But really cool. Look at this. You can see all the way up through here. Pretty wild. This looks like campfire and people hanging out, which probably not allowed to do. Pretty wild. Devil's Kitchen. Pretty cool. Also pretty creepy. On the way back out, there's like a bunch of mosquitoes like clinging to this wall that was super damp. Ugh, weird. Glad I went, glad to be out. Walking back down to the parking lot, decided against the Indian Fort Theater lookout today. By the time I got to the intersection, it was already 4 o'clock and I need to be home by 5, so I decided I'd call it and just head on back and maybe drink a good beer when I get back and hang out with my girls and my new little boy Asa. See if I can get them on the porch. Anyway, I had a wonderful day. Beautiful hike over to the East Pinnacle. Got to set up my favorite lookout, eat lunch, and hike the ridge back, which I had never done, over to what was going to be Indian Fort Lookout, but I ended up going to Devil's Kitchen, which was, probably won't go back. It's cool, but it's creepy and it's slick and usually by myself and probably not the safest to move by yourself. So probably won't do that again. And then I decided to call it quits and head back to the car and go home and enjoy the rest of my evening. So thanks guys for tuning in and hanging out. See you next time.